I'm McCarthy, and today I'm going to present my railroad crossing system here. What did I make? I made a railroad crossing system that closes the arm here and turns on the lights as long as the ultrasonic sensor can see anything within 20 centimeters. What did I use? I used an ultrasonic sensor, a motor, 2 LEDs, resistors, and a whole bunch of male and female wires. How did I program it? I used while true loops, if loops, and if else loops. If I could change one thing, what would I change? If I changed one thing, I would have 2 railroad crossings as seen in the picture here. That's how it actually is in real life. And then here's my demo here. Just give me a second.
Can you explain to us what's going on?
So what I'm doing is, I put my hand in front of the thing. You can see the lights will light up, and the motor will make the arm go from 0-degree angle to 90-degree angle here, from here to here. That's what's going on.
Can you tell us
And the
what's...
lights will turn on, but it'll stay there. It'll keep in that position there as long as this thing can see something within 20 centimeters. I move my hand a little bit back. It won't. I move forward. There we go. Any questions? Yeah?
Can you tell me what are all those numbers in the screen?
All those numbers. So the ultrasonic sensor, it does a little bit of quick math. It takes how long it takes from, so this eye right here, it triggers something out. It's echolocation, pretty much triggers something out, bounces back, goes into this thing. That's the receiver. So what it does is it tracks how long it takes for its waves to get back to it, and then it divides that by 2 to tell how far away whatever it saw was. So right here, you see those numbers flashing? It's counting each one of those, like boop, 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 boop. It does it super quickly. And that's just what it is in centimeters, how far away the object it sees is.
Anyone else have any questions?
No. All right, let's give him a round of applause.